How's it going everyone, Laser here, and today we will be unboxing the Lamzu Atlantis Mini. I have to say that Lamzu's unboxings are one of the coolest and nicest I've ever done. I like the box shaped like a book where you can open it, and it has two compartments. In one you can find basically all of the accessories, including the bag, as you can see, to make it easier for you to transport your mouse without damaging it. Inside of it there is the receiver, charging cable or extender for the receiver if you want to use it that way. And also inside there is a very short manual, not much to actually explain here, just the mouse, how to connect it and so on. Of course the bag. Apart from that, because Lamzu's packages are usually pretty rich, you get additional set of skates. If the original ones get used up, you can replace it with those. You can also get an aftermarket ones or glass ones that are also available. And a grip tape to improve the grippiness of your mouse. If you have issues with the coating, you can just use the grip tape and it's going to be great. And in the other compartment to the right, here is the mouse. This time it's a white version with a beautiful blue accents at the bottom and on the side buttons and on the scroll wheel. It looks really nice. The white is not a cold white. I would say it's like a creamy, milky white, really warm feeling white, and I really like it. It looks really great. Yeah, and this is the mini version, so it's slightly smaller than the original Lamzu Atlantis. We'll definitely give it a try and see how it performs and how it stacks up against some other competitors like the, for example, Riser Viper Mini Signature Edition. We'll see whether this mouse can compete with a mouse that's almost 3 times as expensive, over 3 times as expensive. And yeah, compare them side by side. Compare it also with the Lamzu Atlantis original to see whether the differences in shape make any difference in gameplay and in grip style. Let's do a quick test on how this mouse grips. I would say it's really nice, especially for someone who has smaller hands. It's going to be really good. Let's do a quick button test. The buttons are really nice. They're really stiff, very tactile, not too hard to press, not too light to press. I think they're really balanced very nicely. I really like the side buttons. Usually the side buttons are really mushy and difficult to press and have this post-travel and pre-travel. But the pre-travel is almost non-existent here, which is really good. And I like the tactility of those buttons. It's really not too sharp, but also not too mushy, and it's really nice to press. Same for the main buttons. Like I said, they're really well balanced, almost no pre-travel, very little post-travel, very good mouse. So I will do definitely a full review of this mouse. So if this is something you want to hear about, know more about this mouse, definitely subscribe to get notified when the video is up. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching this short unboxing. I'm Laser, and I'll see you soon.